Hudson Valley Weather Senior Forecaster Bill Potter with a short snow update for Tuesday, January 12th, 2016. And the fact that we are even doing a video and discussing this event is really indicative of just how slow of a winter it's been. We've got a weak low pressure system moving through the Great Lakes on Tuesday, and as it intensifies and moves east, it's going to generate a band of snow across the Hudson Valley for the afternoon hours, and could have some big impacts on the evening commute in terms of that's likely when the heaviest snow is going to fall, and we use the term heavy loosely. This is a simulated computer radar from our friends at Weatherbell, and this map is just going to show you the general progression of what we expect. Moving through the morning on Tuesday, this is 9 o'clock in the morning, still clear. And you can see the snow begin to advance in. This is about 1 p.m. on Tuesday afternoon. As we get closer to 3 p.m., you can see the snow is beginning to advance into the western Hudson Valley. This is Monticello, this is Poughkeepsie here. It's a little hard to see. This is Newburgh. So you can see light snow begin to break out as it moves into the Hudson Valley, but you'll notice that the darker blues start to show up pretty quick. This is at roughly 5 p.m., which would be pretty much the height of the evening commute, and these dark blues would be indicative of some heavier bands of snow that begin to form within the general area of light snow. And what you could see is some low visibilities in some areas, and if the snow comes down heavy enough, roads could deteriorate pretty quick, so you could have some slick spots for your drive home. Something to keep on your mind, be aware of as you drive home. We have had absolutely zero snow this winter season, so anything that we get is going to cause headaches, especially if it accumulates on the roads. So again, I'm not trying to overblow this event. It's not a major event, but in a winter that's had absolutely no snow to speak of, it's definitely worth just throwing the caution out there one more time so that everybody's aware of what we've got coming. You can see things taper off pretty quick. This is 8 o'clock on Tuesday evening, but you'll notice this band of dark blues here that's trying to form off to our west, and this could move through between 9 and 11 p.m. tomorrow night. Something we're going to watch. Could provide a second brief burst of snow in some areas. In terms of snowfall, this is a map from the National Weather Service, is depicted by Weatherbell Analytics, and what you can see here is just a general dusting to 1 inch of snow in general. This blue is indicative of areas where it might be 2 inches of snow. That's mostly confined to the Catskills, northwest Ulster, northern Sullivan, and Delaware counties for the most part. The majority of Hudson Valley is looking at dusting to 1 inch from this. Again, not a major event, but in a year that's seen nothing, it's definitely worth throwing out a little extra information just so that everybody's on top of the situation. Just be careful for your drive home on Tuesday, and we just want everybody to make it home safe and sound. So we'll have updates on the Facebook page throughout the day on Tuesday as everything unfolds, and if you have any questions, comments, please let us know, and be safe. Have a great day, guys.